Ferrari. Cardi a body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying the lane. Blow out the brain. I go insane, insane. I drop a check on the chain. Fuck up a check in the flame. Cardi took your man, you upset. Cardi got rich, they upset.
Hey you guys, welcome back to yet another video. So I just wanted to start off by saying, y'all know how some days we just wake up and we just don't feel it, like we just don't have it in them. Well, this is one of my days. I wanted to show y'all the type of makeup looks I come up with when I'm just not in the mood and not feeling it, and showing you my morning type of routines. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you like it. Let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. I'm starting off by using the Fenty primer, and as y'all can tell, I just was not feeling this makeup look, and I was on the phone at the moment, like going off. Who I was going off on, I don't know. I don't even know. I tried to listen to it and figure out what was going on, but I don't know what the hell was going on and why I was even having this conversation. But as you could tell, I'm trying out this new hair from Miss By Hair, and it was one of those short curly hairstyles that quote unquote Rihanna wore. Well, yeah, it looks like a goddamn poodle on my head, and I had already glued it down and laid it down and everything the night before. So when I woke up and it was looking even more fancy, top of the line, grade A poodle, I was just not, you hear me, not feeling it. So this is the makeup look, and this is how my day went. I went ahead and started filling in my eyebrows, and I did it with a pencil. So now I'm using the NARS Radiance foundation. I think it's like the all day foundation. I don't remember every single product I use, but if I could later on remember, I will have them linked down below in the hot box. But I did do 3 pumps, as you could tell, and I just went ahead and blended this in. And this foundation is a lightweight foundation, but it is full coverage, which I don't know how in the world that happens, but it is some bomb product. It is a bomb foundation, you guys. If you haven't tried it, I suggest you go and try that out right now whenever you can. Yeah, I think I would be feeling this hair more if it was a little bit longer, but I'm already not used to short hair, so therefore putting it on my head and rocking the poodle look just wasn't for me. So now I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind, and that's probably in golden, I'm pretty sure. And then I'm gonna put, I think it's called tan, on my eyelids, and we're gonna blend that out. Yeah, that is golden. And then we're gonna put tan on top of the eyelids, and we're gonna blend it all the way out. But I just was not, I'm gonna keep saying that throughout this whole video. I was not feeling this hair. So I think my attitude of my greatness is what changed this little makeup routine. But I still came out cute. It was just the hair that wasn't cute. But I did want to let y'all know how my days be going when I'm just not in the mood, or not feeling it, or don't feel like putting on makeup that day. And this is like one of my quick go-to type of looks. I don't know, you guys let me know if y'all enjoyed this video, because even though I wasn't feeling it, it still came out cute. But I wanted to just like show you guys how real it gets sometimes. That's just basically it. I wanted to show y'all how real it gets sometimes, and how uninspired I be sometimes. And y'all let me know y'all thoughts on this hair, because in my mind, this hair, I still have this wig to this day, but I just have not put it on since. So here I am mixing my setting powders, which is Midnight Banana Powder and Midnight Topaz, blending it together and pressing it onto my face in the highlighted areas. And I like using Ben Nye banana powder and topaz mixed together because it has that yellow and orange tint to it. So it gives me a perfect highlighted area, not too orangey, not too yellowy. So I kind of like that. If you guys have tried that, let me know. If you haven't tried, and then let me know. So yeah, now I'm going in with my Sephora Micro Smooth setting powder and just blending out, just setting everything else that I didn't already set, and I'm blending it in with the setting powder. So now I'm going in with my ABH bronzer in Mahogany. And you guys, y'all know I love this bronzer. I cannot get enough of it. And I normally go ham on it and, you know, use a little too much like always. But I mean, hey, it's my face, not yours. Use it at your own risk, I would say. But I love this stuff. And now I'm just contouring my nose just to bring some definition back into my nose, because it looked like my nose had disappeared with all of the setting powder. And I'm bringing some of that bronzer into my eyelid space, like in the transition area, just to give it, you know, more depth, because I put powder all the way up there too. And I am going to go over it with just a tad bit of color. So here I am in my Hard Candy Mattes palette, and I started off with that white shade just to highlight my brow bone a little bit. I tried to do anything I could to bring more of my face out than my hair, if you could tell. I tried to give my face more of a pop so that it'd be more focused on the hair, more focused on the face than the hair. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of that red shade and blend it in with that brown. And it's almost like a brick red, so it just made the eyes look a little bit like it had more eyeshadow than it really was. So now I'm popping on a little bit of mascara, and if I'm not mistaken, I'm using a Tarteist mascara just to do the top of my lashes and my bottom lashes. And I think I already put black liner in my waterline off camera. But as you can tell, my face is starting to look a little bit better, and I'm like less focused on the hair, which no matter what, to me, I could see this big short palm tree coming my way. Like, you guys, this hairstyle just was not the business for me. And for some reason, now that I think about it, for some reason the hair just looked absolutely dry. No matter what kind of products I was putting in it, it just looked absolutely dry. But it does look like natural hair, I can't say that. If I was an all-natural chick, I guess that's what my hair would look like in a natural way. Girl, she going off, girl. So now I'm putting on a little bit of highlight, and I honestly don't know which highlight palette I was using, but I did put a little bit on my nose, on my forehead, which I think I went a little too ham on my forehead. I think that brought a little bit more attention back to the hair. And then I put some on the apples of my cheek. Well, not the apples of my cheek, you know what I'm saying. On my cheekbones. A little bit on my cupid's bow, which I went ham. Y'all could tell I was going off on the phone because I wasn't even paying attention to how this makeup was looking. I almost looked cray-cray, but in a cute kind of cray-cray. Now I'm spraying my Pixie Wake and Mist setting spray. I sprayed it in my eye. Y'all seen that? Girl, look at me still trying to fix that hair, trying to make it work. Trying to make it work, girl. So now I'm putting on my MAC lip liner in 9th Month. I know that lip liner from anywhere, girl. I can spot that lip liner in a Million Man March, girl. And I think I'm going to put on my Beauty Bakery liquid lipstick, and I want to say that's hot chocolate or something like that. Something chocolate, and then do the ombre look with a little bit in the middle of honey. I think those are the names. I will have everything listed down below in the hot box if I can remember. Y'all know I always forget, but I gotta get better at that. But I'm gonna try my best to make sure to put everything listed down below in the hot box. So if it's not in the hot box, y'all comment, girl, what the F? Like, WTF, I thought you was gonna put that in the hot box. So you see me outlining my lips with that chocolate color. And then I'm going to put the honey color in the middle and ombre. I learned this from TaylorMade Jane. But I think I have 2 different types of colors than what she normally uses. Girl, I'm going off and looking at the camera. That is too funny. This be my mornings while recording. And y'all know I record most of my videos during the mornings because I'm going to work. And that's the only time I have quiet time here at my home. But I can say this liquid lipstick combo that I've been rocking, y'all, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So this is going to be the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope y'all pretty much understand most of my mornings and how my days go. And I hope y'all enjoyed. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you babies in the next video. I love you all. Thank you so much. Bye.